लाना पड़ता है। अब वो टेनेंट कब तक रहेगा कब तक नहीं रहेगा ऐसी गारंटी किसी के पास नहीं। कम से कम IT कमर्शियल में आज ये गारंटी है कि आपकी हैसल भी प्रॉपर्टी है, आपको रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे, लीजिंग की गारंटी हम लेते हैं, मेंटेनेंस की गारंटी हम लेते हैं, तो कम से कम कुछ नहीं तो आपका उससे अप्रिशिएटिव होगी वाली कभी उससे डिक्रीज नहीं होगी। तो एक एडवांटेज इसका है। सबके अपने रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं, पर अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन से हम देखें तो बेस्ट आज की डेट में यही इसलिए हम मानते हैं क्योंकि आपको रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं हर महीने जो कि कभी भी डेप्रिशिएट नहीं होंगे। तो कोई सजेशन देना चाहेंगे आप कंपनी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, कोई भी सर्विसेज इम्प्रूव करने के लिए सजेशन देना चाहेंगे आप हमें?
टाइम पे चेक क्लियर हो रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं
आगे भी होते रहे is a suggestion that you would like to give us. We will definitely take that into pictures. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for precious time.
Will you
Okay, please have a seat. Sir.
Thank you.
I think rather you have a seat here.
Yeah, on this side.
And we'll be asking you certain questions which will be used for our marketing communications, probably
Okay.
on our websites or maybe on some channels. I hope that's not a problem with you, sir.
I don't at least do you want to put it on the channel?
No, not necessarily. It can be on the website as well or it can be on the channel. It will be for our marketing communication purpose basically. That will be used.
I don't mind if it is internally used, but I don't feel that it will be better if you.
So we will not be asking you any such question which can probably be a little on the other side of things. So it will be very general on the question here.
Anyway,
If
go
you're
ahead.
not comfortable, you can let us know that we'll answer the question to you first.
Okay,
That's no problem.
go ahead.
So the first question I would like to ask you is, so how long have you been with Vigneshwara?
I think I am here with. I mean, I'm coming to Vigneshwara when your office was there in Augusta.
Okay.
When it was started in Augusta.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
It was something 2006.
So you've been with Vigneshwara, if I were to say, since 4 years approximately.
4 years, rather more than 4 years.
More than 4 years. Okay. So you're completely satisfied with the services, no problems as of now.
So far, I am satisfied.
And are you getting the channel returns from Vigneshwara?
Ah, yes, I am getting it. I am
No
getting.
checks ever has bounced from Vigneshwara or something of that
no,
sort?
no, not at all.
Any suggestions you would like to give us, sir, that we can help us improve the Vigneshwara's strategies or probably policies, something of that sort?
I feel the system being adopted by Vigneshwara so far is quite satisfactory, but it can be improved better if you keep better communications with the investors and
Sure.
your customers and keep them updated
Okay.
from time to time.
Okay. Okay.
And because there are some feelings with the people or some misinformations in the news also, which I myself I'm satisfied that there is no truth in that.
You see, basically what happens is that whenever there is a competition prevailing, there are a lot
I
of
do
things that
understand.
people do and
This
they,
is
that's just
this is only
it's just a competition.
this is a
probably.
competitor
That's definitely is going to
and
be there.
it should be clarified.
Absolutely.
It should be
absolutely.
clarified through media
Surely.
as well as I think through personal contact with the investors or through personal communications with the investors,
Yeah,
so
sure.
that it is clear.
Actually, we thought not to make a propaganda out of it because it was something very legal for us. But then probably we will keep that in mind, and from future we'll make sure that we do that.
But rather instead of making a propaganda in the media, if you communicate with the investors and
Surely.
you communicate them the factual position, it will
Absolutely.
be better.
Definitely we will well consider it.
What I understand.
And so would you be investing in Vigneshwara in the future projects that are coming with us? Probably Sector 74 or probably in Goa or
I will be happy
elsewhere.
to invest if I have got the necessary fund for that.
And would you refer it to your friends and your relatives probably?
I will do.
Definitely.
It will be my privilege.
Oh, thanks so much for it. So one last question to you.
Yes.
So what do you think is a better scope of investment nowadays? Was it real estate and IT infrastructure or is it housing or retail? Which do you think is a better scope for the future?
The present circumstances, though in the last few years or months the market was very down.
Did you feel any problems in the recession times from us, from Vigneshwara as of now?
No, from Vigneshwara particularly, I have no problem.
Do you feel that Vigneshwara never had taken a hit even in the recession time? You were completely satisfied even at that point of time in the recession?
Because none of my check has been bounced, so I feel it is good.
That is a very good, good to hear from you for us as well. That
He has been-
even in the time of recession, we
Even in the
never.
time of recession,
Checks never bounced,
I have got all my checks cleared.
Oh, that is great. That is great, sir.
That's fine, and I hope it will continue like that.
It will definitely continue. It will rather increase and improve.
It will
never
improve,
appreciate
and it will create a better confidence in the
Definitely.
minds of the investors
Definitely.
and your
See,
customers.
we are the pioneer of the whole concept. We brought it in the market. So obviously, our aim is to strengthen our roots as much as we can.
Yes, sure.
Definitely. So
Very
we will
fine.
definitely.
I hope in future projects will also be the same,
Surely, so definitely we are
in
trying.
the
our
same
level
way
best.
as
We
it
will
is in the Manesar and
keep
others.
up to your expectations,
Keep up to
rather
it.
exceed those. We'll try our best.
And I hope very good companies will be coming there,
Yes, surely.
Huh?
Yeah, surely.
and we will also be benefited by that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
If some
Why
good
not?
companies come, they give better
If
rents.
the good companies come, the
They give better
benefit
rents.
will be you.
They- better rent.
Better rents, better rent sharing,
Company
better
will also
profit sharing.
we also hope to earn something because
Definitely.
we have invested our hard-earned money. here.
Definitely, sir. Everybody who comes in with a penny of an investment values to us,
We
we
have-
know that is a hard
We,
money
we
for us.
have invested whatever we have earned with our efforts.
Definitely, definitely. And
This-
we would never let you down because we believe that our investors are our strength. If we don't keep our investors happy, they will never keep us in business. So definitely we are going to take care of this
If
thing.
and supposing if anything worse come, I hope the company will intimate us also.
Definitely, definitely. And
To
nothing is
take
going to
care
happen.
of that.
Definitely, sir.
Company will
definitely.
take care of our
Nothing
interest
worse,
also,
keeping-
our investment also. Company will take care of our investment also.
Keeping our fingers crossed, nothing is going to happen, sir. We will rather improve and move up from here. Never go down. So thank you so much. for
I
your
hope
time.
and I'm fully assured that company will grow, and I wish it should grow.
We are sure you for assured returns as well as other assurance as well. No worries. Well, thank you so much for the
I
precious
wish
time, sir.
it will grow better.
कोई परेशानी तो नहीं हुई सर?
नहीं जी।
कहाँ दिल्ली से आए हैं गुड़गांव
नहीं जी,
से?
हम साउथ सिटी से आए हैं।
ओके, साउथ सिटी से आए हैं। और सर कुछ सिंपल क्वेश्चंस का आंसर चाहूंगी
हाँ,
आपसे।
बोलिए बोलिए।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है। विघ्नेश्वरा के साथ आप कब से जुड़े हुए हैं?
पिछले 2.5 साल से जी।
पिछले 2.5 साल से, जो 3rd ईयर है आप लोगों का स्टार्ट।
हाँ, इस बार 2 साल तो पूरे, हाँ 2.5 साल पूरे हो गए।
आप सहमत हैं, खुश हैं विघ्नेश्वरा
हाँ
के साथ अपनी
बिल्कुल।
इन्वेस्टमेंट करने
नहीं,
के
बहुत
साथ?
खुश है जी।
आपने देखा होगा रिसेशन के टाइम पे भी कंपनी के चेक्स जो हैं वो रेगुलर आ रहे
हाँ,
थे।
बिल्कुल रेगुलर आ रहे थे जी।
तो किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी
नहीं, कोई
हुई है?
परेशानी नहीं।
बिल्कुल खुश हैं आप?
बिल्कुल खुश है, हमें हैप्पी।
सारे टाइमली चेक्स आप लोगों को मिल रहे
बिल्कुल,
हैं?
कोई चेक बाउंस नहीं वास्ते ना, सब टाइमली मिले हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर। विघ्नेश्वरा में और किसी जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, जो फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स, उसमें कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करना
हाँ,
चाहेंगे आप?
अगर पैसा कुछ हमारे पास फंड्स हुए तो जरूर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे।
कोई रेफरेंस देना चाहेंगे इसके लिए?
रेफरेंस में मैंने अपनी 1-2 फ्रेंडों को दिए थे पहले से उनको, लेकिन कोई बात क्लिक हुई नहीं थी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
एक तो हमारे जियाजी वगैरह थे, उनको मैंने बताया था, दिखा के लाया था साइड, लेकिन वो बना नहीं कुछ।
सर, एक क्वेश्चन और पूछना चाहूंगी आपसे। आईटी कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट आप क्या मानते हैं, रियल एस्टेट में, हाउसिंग रिटेल और आईटी कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट सबसे बेहतर कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट है, अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम बात करें तो?
देखो जी, वो तो अपनी अपनी उसके ऊपर बात है कि
जैसे आपने आईटी
आदमी
कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट
ये
विघ्नेश्वरा के
कौन
साथ,
आदमी कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है। बाकी तो देखो जी, जिसको जो पहले घर की है तो उधर ही ऑफ कोर्स है, पहले घर में
अगर
इन्वेस्ट
मैं
करें।
इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करूं दूसरी जगह पे तो
नहीं, इन्वेस्टमेंट तो देखो जी, कमर्शियल भी ठीक है, आईटी भी ठीक है। जहाँ जो कंपनी है अच्छा रिटर्न दे रही है, हमारे तो बढ़िया है जी,
बिल्कुल ठीक है सर, बिल्कुल ठीक
या
है।
नहीं जी?
जी जी,
बस बाकी तो इन्वेस्टमेंट सब जगह ठीक है जी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
और बताइए जी।
मैम कुछ
हाँ,
बताना
मैं-
चाहेंगे?
दरअसल मेरा रियल एस्टेट का काम मेरा, इनको थोड़ी सी नॉलेज भी कम है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
तो बाकी मैं हमसे कुछ
वही
वैसे
मेरे
कुछ
कहने से इतना मैंने कहा ऐसा लगाओ, एक जगह लगाओ पैसा, हमें परमानेंट इनकम चाहिए।
तो आप खुश हैं विघ्नेश्वरा के साथ में इन्वेस्टमेंट करके? थैंक यू वेरी मच।
संतुष्ट इंसान है।
संतोष इंसान है जिनको। और ये बीच में आपका प्रोजेक्ट काफी डिले हो गया, कुछ रुका रहा 5-6 महीने।
नहीं सर, चल रही थी कंस्ट्रक्शन, कंटिन्यूअसली चल रही है।
नहीं, बीच में
लास्ट टाइम विजिट कब की थी सर आप लोगों ने? कब
मैं तो अभी 2 महीने पहले भी गया था, वो स्पायराज के सिलसिले में गया था, उधर भी किसी क्लाइंट के साथ। तो भी मैंने देखा था वो काम कुछ बीच में रुक गया था, बता रहे थे साइट पे लोग। ये तो मोहित जी बता रहे हैं कि कुछ प्रोजेक्ट 6 महीने बीच में रुका रहा है।
कह रहे ना गोल्ड सर्टिफिकेट क्या करते हैं उसके लिए।
गोल्ड सर्टिफिकेट जो फॉर्मेलिटीज से
हाँ,
प्रोजेक्ट
कुछ हेलीपैड की
हेलीपैड का
formalities,
अप्रूवल
हाँ,
हुआ
तो
है
बीच में
दूसरी
रुका
साइड
रहा
पे,
है।
तो वो सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज साथ साथ चल सकती
या मुझे लग रहा है कुछ आपका इससे भी कुछ जो ये बना रहे हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्टर आपके,
हाँ जी।
कुछ इनके साथ भी कुछ
नहीं
कुछ हुआ था मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग।
सर दूसरी साइड अगर फॉर्मेलिटीज क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें एक साथ नहीं चल सकती हैं, अगर आप हेलीपैड का अप्रूवल लेने जा रहे हैं तो कुछ पेपर्स वर्क उसके लिए, कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन, कुछ तो वो सब मैनेज करना
नहीं, हो सकता है शायद इनसे भी कुछ आपकी ना बात बनी हो, जो ये अपना जिन्हें आपने कॉन्टेक्ट किया हुआ
हेलीपैड
है।
मैं मानती हूँ बिल्कुल है, वो मुझे भी
अच्छा, इनके हैं सारे कमर्शियली गोवा में भी
मैं पता नहीं, तो विस्ता पार्क ये तो वही है, सेक्टर 17 बता रहे हैं ना रायन का।
इस पार्क के अंदर
एक ये
सारे
तुम्हारा इनका ये तिजार राजस्थान में कोई है, वो 200 एकड़ प्रोजेक्ट।
अरुणाचल प्रदेश कहाँ, मतलब
175
हाँ,
नहीं,
रुद्रपुर में?
ये अलग स्टेट है।
अच्छा, अरुणाचल तो वो उत्तरांचल है।
175 एकड़ कमर्शियल एंड रेजिडेंशियल गोवा,
सर
अच्छा, चलो हो गया।
कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट गोवा। हाँ जी, और भाई कुछ पूछना मैडम?
अच्छा,
चलें।
इन्होंने
मैं चाहती थी अगर एक फोटो डेमो अगर आपके साथ हो जाए,
फिर वो कभी भूलेंगे नहीं।
ठीक हो गया, 3 बार लिया जी क्या?
थोड़ा सा हाँ। So I would like to ask some questions from you. Yeah. For how long you have been associated with Vigneshwara Developers?
It's been 4 years,
So are you happy and satisfied with your investments in Vigneshwara?
very much.
Thank you. That's great. And are you getting your checks timely? Return checks?
Yeah.
Okay. And I would like to ask one question more. And would you like to invest in Vigneshwara futures projects?
Surely, if it's lucrative, definitely.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And would you like to give any references for the same? For Vigneshwara?
What is in return you are giving to us?
All monetary benefits you can say rather. It's depend again.
What kind of monetary? It's like initially.
In terms of money you can say rather.
काफी बड़ा हो जा रहा है आपसे तो।
So it's been how long you been associated with Vigneshwara?
Please have a seat, sir.
Hello, ma'am. We all have.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. How are you?
Okay, fine.
So I would like to ask some questions from you. It's just for the internal references and records. Okay. For how long you have been associated with Vigneshwara?
It's about, I think it's 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Okay. Are you happy and satisfied with your investments in Vigneshwara?
Yeah, so far so good,
So
yeah.
that's great. That's great. And are you getting your checks timely?
Yeah.
Returns? Okay. Would you like to invest in future with Vigneshwara?
Yeah,
For
sure,
future?
when we have some money, we'll just invest it.
Thank you so much, sir. That's great. And so, what do you think? IT commercial project is better investments in real estate or housing or retail?
I think this one is better for investment, yeah. Instead of putting the money in the bank.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you,
Mm.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
जुड़े हैं आप लोग कितना साल हो गए?
2007 में थे।
2007 में शुरू हुआ था आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट। आप खुश हैं, सहमत हैं विग्नेश्वरा में अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट करके? अच्छा, टाइमली रिटर्न्स, चेक्स आप लोगों को सब कुछ मिल रहा है? ओके। एंड विग्नेश्वरा में किसी और प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे या कोई रेफरेंस देना चाहेंगे विग्नेश्वरा कंपनी को?
रेफरेंस तो करवाएं अभी तो।
आगे जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं विग्नेश्वरा के,
हाँ, जरूर
इसमें
कराएंगे।
कोई और इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहेंगे?
जी।
एक चेक के साथ डेमो ले लें सर को। So I would like to ask some questions from you. Very simple questions.
Sure.
Yeah. For how long you have been associated with Vigneshwara Developers?
More than 2.5 years.
More than 2.5 years. Okay. And have you are you happy and satisfied with your investments in Vigneshwara?
I'm very happy with your gifts, with your date of checks, giving advance 12-month checks also.
Yeah. All right.
It's very comfortable because we have invested in some other places also.
Okay.
But definitely every quarter we have to collect and call
Especially in the
them.
time of recession, you can say.
Yeah.
You getting your
They
time.
were giving quarterly checks.
Okay.
Makes hardly any difference, but it is little uncomfortable.
Okay.
But you people have really does it comfort level.
Thank you, sir. Can you speak loudly so that
Sure,
your voice
you're
is
doing that
recorded?
recording?
Yeah, yeah.
This is for what?
And this is for our internal record and
Okay, okay.
records.
You can show this thing,
Exactly.
the record.
Exactly.
No, we are very much satisfied. In very first year, we liked your after sales services also,
Thank you, sir.
and your representative kept on visiting us,
Yeah.
and